Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready for your jump?
Yeah.
Have fun, okay?
All right.
Please stand up. Now, slowly walk forward and put your toes over the edge there. I got it through the back.
All right.
Now stop there, stand straight, look straight ahead, wave your hands to the ground in front back, open your hands, and after we count down, big dive out, okay?
Big dive out.
Yeah, and here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm good.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Okay, I'm gonna pull you back in now.
Okay.
You just have to stand up here. Okay? And sit here. Now slowly, please come back and sit down there. Yeah. So, tell us one more time, how was it?
That was fantastic.
All right.